Hi, this is a long question here with a new pencil, like the Pikachu thingy. Alright, anyway, so we got a question here. Adam keeps some beekeeper and then this to be answered. So we will have X and Y here, and then we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of data. We need to find a relationship between it. So we need our calculator. Alright, just in case we go to statistics. Right, so we key in the X value, which is the number of bees in one list, and then the honey on the others. All right, this is our X list, and then we do our Y list. So the list is here. Sorry about the reflection, so I have to bring it up a bit. All right, and then we have to get into, push it up, bring it up a bit. So we go to cal, and then regression, our EG. After that, we go for X, AX plus B, because the question asking me for that. And then we have our equation, so we will have A will be equals to 6.96 because of the regression, 3 significant figure. And B will be equals to, make sure you write down the negative and carry forward from there. So 455. So if you want, you can write it down, because the question asking you the value of A and B. You should be safe, but not always. You can still write it down like this. Is minus, sorry about that. So minus 455 minus there. So make sure you get that right. All right, so we got that minus here, and then we're done with the first part. Using the regression line of regression, so we need to find out 270b. So we copy the question, the equation up to here. After you copy, it should be on the graph. So there we go, we got the equation here on the graph. I deselected, I want this one, a very accurate one. So I select it, and then I got a pretty long line. So in that case, I need to zoom auto to get through the line. So I want the X from 0 to 500 because it's 320 there. So I get it to 500, that should work. I should have the line. Anyway, so I got the line here, and then I will have the G-solve. I want YCal when X is 270. So just in case, I write down the equation. I should have the answer 1424. All right, you can round it off to 3 significant figure or whole numbers. I will stay with 3 significant figure. So that gives us our 5 points already. Pretty nice. All right, and then we got the graphs here given to you. So we have the okay. And then the question up here to be next is, Adam put the height in the car and putting it into range. Find out its low productive height. So it's 1080. So looking at the graph, 1080, 20, so it should be to 200 for which bar, so 50, so 1080. So 40, so this is 1040, 1080, this line here. So to make it clearer, I'm using red and a ruler. You might need a ruler here. Yes, I got a ruler here. So I will mark it there just in case, but then it's not quite clear with those on the. So 1080 here will be 40. Then I know the answer for this one will be 40 up here. And then find that there's known that 120 half have a regular production. Find the value of K. So we need to find out 128 plus 40 will be equals to, should be 168. Now we get back to now 168. So I will have two more from here. I'll be looking from here. So again, this time I use orange. Go downwards. The line should be really straight. 1, 2, 3. So I should have, oh, sorry, this is not the line. 148. So it should be here. 1, 2. I'm sorry. So this should be the right line. Draw it on the wrong place. So down here. This one to the right one, this is wrong. So it should be 1604, 440 there. So excuse me with that. So now I got 1640 here from the graph. Find the number of high production, that's right. So I need to find out the total is 200. So I will have 200 minus 168. So I got 32 for that. And last but not least, to increase the number of research probability is 70.75. And then calculate the probability of that 30 will become a regular. So I know that this is a binomial distribution here with the number of with the total number, there are 40 of those because it's the regular here. And then the probability is 0.75. Now I want probability of x lower, smaller, or equals to that 30. Oh, sorry, it's equal. It's not equals to. Exactly, they want that 30 of them, so equals to 30. So now I want my binomial distribution. So you can go for the long way, or I'll just use calculator. Statistic, distribution, binomial, PD. So I got number of trial is 40. Probability, what I want is 30, and the probability is 0.75. Then I got my probability I need. 3 significant figure, and that helps us finish our 14 points from here.